This is the most powerful gaming laptop of 2025, but is the Razer Blade 18 truly worth its insane price? Let's find out. The Razer Blade 18 features a massive 18-inch QHD Plus display with a 300Hz refresh rate, offering ultra-smooth visuals for gaming. The high resolution ensures sharp and vibrant images, making it ideal for both gamers and creative professionals. Powered by the Intel Core i9-14900HX, the laptop delivers exceptional performance for demanding tasks. It is optimized for high-speed gaming, multitasking, and professional workloads like video editing. Equipped with an NVIDIA GeForce RTX 4090, the Blade 18 provides top-tier gaming performance. With ray tracing and DLSS3 support, it enables realistic lighting, shadows, and AI-powered frame boosts. The laptop supports up to 64 GB of DDR5 RAM, ensuring seamless multitasking and high-speed data processing. DDR5 technology enhances performance for gaming, streaming, and content creation. With up to 4 TB of PCIe Gen 4 SSD storage, the Razer Blade 18 offers fast boot times and ample space for games, software, and media files. The PCIe Gen 4 standard ensures top-tier data transfer speeds. A vapor chamber cooling system efficiently dissipates heat, keeping the laptop's powerful components at optimal temperatures. This ensures sustained performance during long gaming or rendering sessions. The laptop includes Thunderbolt 4, USB-C, HDMI 2.1, and multiple USB ports, providing extensive connectivity options for peripherals, external displays, and fast data transfers. With Wi-Fi 7 and Bluetooth 5.3, the Razer Blade 18 ensures fast wireless connections for gaming, streaming, and file transfers. The latest standards improve speed, stability, and device compatibility. The perky RGB keyboard, powered by Razer Chroma, allows full customization and enhanced gaming responsiveness. Each key can be programmed individually for personalized lighting effects. Would you spend this much for the ultimate gaming experience? Let me know in the comments. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and share for more epic tech reviews.